never cause problems. They get good grades, follow the rules, and keep their emotions tidy. Adults call them easy, mature, a joy to raise. But psychology says the perfect child isn't always thriving. Sometimes they're surviving. 1. Perfect behavior is often a fear response. Psychologists distinguish between children who behave well because they feel safe and children who behave well because they don't feel safe enough to do anything else. The second type learns early that love feels conditional, that approval must be earned. Being difficult, emotional, loud, needy carries a cost. So they become easy instead, not out of happiness, out of self-protection. 2. They learn to manage others' emotions before their own. This is called parentification, when a child takes on emotional responsibility that belongs to the adults around them. The perfect child reads the room constantly. They suppress their own needs to keep the atmosphere calm. They become skilled at sensing what others want and delivering it. But that skill has a price. Their own emotional world goes unattended, unfelt, unnamed. 3. They mistook performance for identity. When a child is consistently praised for being good, obedient, and low maintenance, the praise becomes the self. They don't know who they are without the performance. As adults, they struggle to disappoint anyone, not because they're kind, but because disappointing others feels like ceasing to exist. Their value was never unconditional. It was always attached to behavior. 4. The rebellion comes late or never. Healthy development requires a period of pushing back, testing limits, being difficult. The perfect child skips this. They comply through adolescence, through young adulthood, and sometimes through their 30s. Then one day something breaks, a relationship, a career, a quiet internal collapse, and the rebellion they never had arrives, disorienting and overdue. Psychology calls this delayed individuation, the self trying to finally form. 5. They find it almost impossible to ask for help. Asking means admitting imperfection, and imperfection, to the perfect child's nervous system, still feels dangerous even decades later. So they handle everything alone. They present as capable, they smile when asked if they're okay, and they carry a weight that no one around them knows exists because they were always too good at hiding it. If you were the easy child, psychology doesn't call you fortunate. It asks what it cost you to be so easy. Being good was never the problem. Never being allowed to be anything else, that was it. Subscribe, because on this channel, we don't just see behavior, we see what's underneath it.